In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make a password generator using random module. Hello friends, my name is Shubham Kumar and you're watching Subcoder. Let's start. Create a file, password generator. So I'm going to paste the code here. So I have pasted import random. This is the message. Welcome to password generator. I have taken a list which contains alphabet in lowercase or uppercase A to Z, and I've taken n which contains a number, n list, and s list contain symbols. So here is letter input, how many letters would you like in your password, and symbols input, how many symbols would you like, and numbers, how many numbers would you like. We have to take an empty list, name p, and use for loop for C in range 1 comma letter plus 1, and enter it in for loop. P dot append is built-in function in Python used to add a single element at the end. So append random dot choice L, and again take for loop C in range from 1 comma numbers plus 1. Again append p dot append random dot choice n. Again use for loop C in range 1 comma symbols plus 1. Again p dot append random dot choice s. We have to shuffle it, so using random dot shuffle p. Shuffle means the shuffle is an inbuilt method of the random module. It is used to shuffle a sequence. Shuffling a list of object means changing the position of element of the sequence using Python. Take an empty string, name password equal to empty, and use a for loop for C in P password equal to password plus C and print your password is password. So let's run. How many letters would you like in your password? So I would like to 10-digit password. How many symbols would you like? 4. How many numbers would you like? 4. As you can see, totals 10 letters. Number is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And symbols is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And others are letters, me alphabets. Again, I'm going to recall it. I have imported a random module and printed here welcome to the password generator and taken a list of alphabets, lowercase or uppercase, and taken a list of numbers from 0 to 9. Last one is the list of symbols. I have using input function. I have take user gives inputs here, letters, symbols, and numbers, and using empty list. And here we started a for loop for C in range, means the loop started from 1 to letters plus 1. If user enters 10, it means it will take 9. Due to this, we have to add plus 1 on it.
Here we have used append, which is inbuilt function in Python. Append adding element at the end. We added element in P, which is empty list. P dot random choice L. Means it picked letter from L alphabets. So we did the same things in numbers and symbols. Here we used random dot shuffle, means shuffle sequencing letters. Again, we used an empty string named password using for C in P, password equal to password plus C, and it will print your password. Thanks for watching.